All right, so here is a timer, a program where we're going to use a timer. And I just have a label here. It says enter password, and they're going to have 5 seconds to enter the password. After 5 seconds, if they don't enter the right password, down here it'll say access denied in red. If they do get the password in 5 seconds, within 5 seconds, it'll say password access granted in green. So just a little note on text boxes here. If you go down to password character, right? You notice when you type into a password, it has a little dot in there. Well, you can go down to the text box property password char, and I'm going to put, you can put a dot in there, but you have to find it. And so I'm just going to put an asterisk. When they type in there, you're not going to see what they're typing. You're going to see the asterisk. So what we're going to do, we're going to start, we need a timer, right? So I have a label 1, a regular text box, a button, and a label 2 that says status. By the way, that label 2 is enabled false, so it's grayed out. If you want to do that, you can do that. That's fine. So we need a timer, and I'm going to bring that in there. And the interval is going to be 5 seconds, right? So remember, that's in milliseconds, that interval. So 5,000 milliseconds is 5 seconds. And I'm going to start the timer as soon as I run the program. So I'm going to set that to true. So now let's code the timer. Double click. So we're going to say after 5 seconds, if text box 1 dot text equals, and the password will be something simple, dog, right? I'm going to say label 2 dot text is access granted, label 2 dot enabled equals true. Again, we didn't really have to do that, just so that status is grayed out. I could have just made it gray in the beginning, but, and I want to disable the button. Button 1 dot enabled equals false, right? And then else, right? If it's not dog, I'm going to copy and paste this. Okay, if it's not the right password, I'm going to say access denied. Oh, I forgot to make it red here. Label 2 dot for color equals color dot green for access granted, and label 2 dot for color for this one is red. Color dot red. Now remember, when they enter dog, it's going to show stars, but the text is still going to be dog. It's just showing stars. So let's see what happens here. Barring any mistakes. So let's see, I don't enter it. All right, well, I didn't get a chance to enter it anyway, so it was access denied. And let me run it. So I do get it. Dog. Access granted. Now, notice when I hit the button, and I got the right password, it waited. It waited until the 5 seconds was up to say access granted, which we really wouldn't do that. So we'll go to button click, if they get the button, right? Control copy. So if they click the button and it's dog, it's the right password, right? Then within the 5 seconds, that they won't have to wait for the 5 seconds to get access granted. It'll happen immediately. So let's just test it. Dog. And there we go. And after 5 seconds, right, it doesn't matter because the button was disabled. So there you go. Done that.